Hey there, folks. Ever wondered how you can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? Well, you're in for a treat today. I'm Adam, and alongside my brilliant colleague Amanda, we're going to dive into the amazing world of sense organs here on Health Talks. First up, let's talk about the eyes. Your eyes are like tiny cameras, capturing images and sending them off to your brain via the optic nerve. It's your very own built-in photography studio. Next, meet your ears. These bad boys pick up sound waves and transform them into signals your brain can understand. So every time you jam out to your favorite tunes, thank your ears and the auditory nerve. Now, let's take a sniff with your nose. When you inhale, tiny receptors in your nose detect different scents and send the info straight to your brain via the olfactory nerve. It's like having a personal fragrance advisor. Moving on to taste. Your tongue's taste buds can detect sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami flavors. These signals travel through the gustatory nerve to the brain. So, the next time you're enjoying your favorite meal, give a nod to your taste buds. Finally, let's not forget touch. Your skin is covered in millions of nerve endings that detect pressure, temperature, and pain. These sensations are sent to your brain via the spinal cord. It's like having a superhero suit with built-in sensors. All right, folks, that's a quick rundown of your fantastic 5 sense organs and their link to the nervous system. Stick around as Amanda and I dive deeper into each one in our upcoming videos. Welcome to our channel Health Talks. Now, me and my colleague Amanda will walk you through each sense organ one by one.
Hey guys, ever wondered how your eyes work and why they're so important? Well, let's check into the fascinating world of our eyes. First off, did you know that the human eye can distinguish approximately 10 million different colors? Yep, that's a lot of shades of blue. Our eyes are like little cameras, capturing light and sending those images to our brain to interpret. Talk about teamwork. The eye consists of several crucial parts: the cornea, lens, retina, and optic nerve, to name a few. The cornea and lens focus light onto the retina, which then converts it into electrical signals. And guess what? These signals travel through the optic nerve straight to your brain. It's like having a high-speed internet connection right in your head. Now, onto some cool facts. Did you know that the muscles that control your eyes are the most active muscles in your body? They move more than 100,000 times a day. That's like doing 50,000 jumping jacks every single day. Phew! And here's something mind-blowing. Each of your eyes has a small blind spot where the optic nerve passes through the retina. But don't worry, you don't notice it because your brain is a master at filling in the gaps. Clever, right? Our eyes are also incredibly sensitive. They can detect light from a single candle flame from 1.6 miles away in the dark. So, if your friend ever says they saw a flicker in the dark, they might actually be right. On the neurology front, our eyes and brain are in constant communication. About half of our brain's cortex is involved in processing visual information. That's a lot of brain power dedicated to keeping us from walking into walls. So the next time you blink, remember just how amazing your eyes are. They're not just windows to the soul, they're windows to the world.
Ever stop to think about how amazing your nose is? Yeah, that thing right in the middle of your face. It's not just for holding your glasses. Stick around, and I'll tell you why the nose is one of the coolest parts of your body. First up, did you know your nose can detect over 1 trillion different smells? That's right, 1 trillion. From fresh-baked cookies to, well, less pleasant things, your nose has got it covered. And not only this, your nose plays a critical role in your sense of taste. Ever tried eating when you're all stuffed up? Food seems bland, right? That's because 80% of what you taste is actually from your sense of smell. So, thank your nose next time you enjoy your favorite meal. Now, let's talk about its role in neurology. The nose is directly connected to the brain through the olfactory bulb. This means scents can influence your mood, memory, and even behavior. Ever smelled something that instantly took you back to a childhood memory? That's your nose and brain working together like memory magicians. Here's a fun fact. Each person has a unique nose print, just like fingerprints. So if you ever need a new way to impress your friends, tell them about your one-of-a-kind nose print. And let's not forget, the nose is also your body's first line of defense against harmful particles. Those tiny nose hairs, called cilia, trap dust and pathogens, keeping your respiratory system clean and healthy. So, next time you look in the mirror, give your nose a little nod of appreciation. It's way more than just a facial feature. It's a super sensor, memory maker, and health protector all rolled into one.
Hey, curious minds. Ever wondered how you stay connected to the world around you? Well, let's know how amazing our ears are. Our ears are like super sophisticated antennas. They pick up sounds, process them, and send them to our brains. Think about it. Every laugh, every song, and every honk you hear is thanks to these little wonders. Inside your ear, it's like a mini concert. Sound waves travel through the ear canal and hit the eardrum, making it vibrate. These vibrations then travel through 3 tiny bones, the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. Cool names, right? But it doesn't stop there. They reach the cochlea, a snail-shaped part filled with fluid and tiny hair cells. These cells convert vibrations into electrical signals and send them to your brain. Voila, you can hear. Our ears also help us balance. Inside the inner ear, there are semicircular canals filled with fluid and sensors. They detect your head's movements and send info to your brain, so you don't tip over. Here's a fun fact. Humans can hear frequencies from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. But did you know some animals can hear even higher or lower frequencies? Bats, for example, use echolocation. They're like flying superheroes. Now, let's not forget our eyes. They work closely with our ears, giving us a fuller picture of our surroundings. Ever been to a noisy place and felt disoriented? That's because your eyes and ears are struggling to keep up. Remember, taking care of your ears is super important. Avoid loud noises, clean them gently, and keep them dry. Your ears are your lifelong connection to the world's sounds and rhythms. So next time you hear something beautiful, give a nod to your ears, the unsung heroes. Remember to keep those ears happy.
Hey everyone! Now let's dive into the fascinating world of our largest sense organ, our skin. You might not think about it often, but your skin is the ultimate superhero of the senses. First off, did you know that your skin is your body's largest organ? It's about 20 square feet on average. That's like carrying around a yoga mat everywhere you go. Your skin has 3 main layers, the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissue. The epidermis is like the tough outer shield that protects you from harmful invaders. The dermis is where you'll find nerve endings, sweat glands, and hair follicles. And the subcutaneous tissue? It's the cushion that keeps everything in place. But here's where it gets really interesting. Your skin is packed with nerve endings, millions of them. These nerve endings allow you to feel everything from a gentle breeze to a sharp pinprick. They send signals to your brain at lightning speed, helping you react to your environment in real time. Imagine touching something hot and instantly pulling your hand away. That's your skin's rapid response team in action. Now, let's talk temperature. Your skin can sense changes in temperature and adjust accordingly. Whether you're sweating buckets in the summer or shivering in the winter, your skin is working hard to keep you comfortable. Oh, and did I mention your skin is also a communication tool? Blushing when you're embarrassed, goosebumps when you're cold or scared. These are all ways your skin tells the story of what's happening inside you. And here's a cool fact. Your skin regenerates itself every 28 days. That's right. You're basically shedding your old superhero suit and growing a new one every month. So next time you think about your senses, give a nod to your skin. It's not just holding you together. It's keeping you connected to the world in more ways than one. Now, Amanda will walk you through the last sense organ of our body.
I'm back, folks. Let's talk about the last but an important sense organ located just under our nose. Or should I say, in our mouth. That's right, we're talking about the tongue. First up, did you know the tongue is the strongest muscle in the body relative to its size? Yep, this tiny powerhouse helps us chew, swallow, and speak. So next time you say something witty, thank your tongue. Now let's talk about taste. Your tongue is covered in tiny bumps called papillae. These little guys house the taste buds, which detect sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami flavors. Fun fact, you have about 10,000 taste buds, and they get replaced every 2 weeks. Talk about a fresh start. But wait, there's more. The tongue is also a crucial player in your body's nervous system. It sends signals to your brain about the taste, texture, and temperature of what you're eating. So if you've ever wondered why ice cream feels so cold or why spicy food feels hot, thank your tongue and its super sensitive nerves. And here's something you might not know. your tongue can also reveal a lot about your health. A white coating could mean a fungal infection, while a bright red tongue might indicate a vitamin deficiency. So, next time you're brushing your teeth, take a moment to check out your tongue. It might be telling you something important. Oh, and speaking of brushing, don't forget to clean your tongue too. It can harbor bacteria that cause bad breath. A clean tongue means a happy mouth. So there you have it. The tongue is not just for tasting delicious food, it's a multitasking marvel. Keep it healthy, and it'll keep you talking, tasting, and more. Hope you found this informative. Let's summarize what you have seen so far. Our body is equipped with 5 fantastic sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Together, they help us see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. But did you know your skin is the largest organ you have? Crazy, right? Your eyes are like high-tech cameras, capturing light and converting it into images. Ears? They're not just for earrings. They pick up sound waves and help you balance. And that nose of yours? It's a mini lab analyzing thousands of scents. Ever had a chocolate craving? Thank your taste buds. They work with your nose to give you those delicious flavors. Lastly, your skin. It's not just a wrapper. It protects you, senses temperature, and even heals itself. So next time you enjoy a beautiful sunset, savor a delicious meal, or feel a gentle breeze, remember, your sense organs are the true MVPs. If you found this video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more such information. Until then, stay healthy, stay curious.